Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting the stage. Pick amateur difficulty and minimal teammates to reduce chaos. Once done, load crucifix, EMF, thermometer, camera, UV, and headset. These items let you confirm evidence fast. Move immediately to the exterior and walk the perimeter. Check windows, doors, and possible entry points, because locating the room early saves time. Make sure one player watches the pocket watch or crucifix, and one stays near the van to monitor sanity and callouts. You methodically gather evidence next. Enter and prioritize temperature readings. Freeze spots narrow rooms quickly. Once done, sweep with the EMF reader, looking for repeated 4 or 5 spikes. Consistent readings beat one-off blips. Place a camera facing the most likely corner and switch to UV and fingerprint checks. Do this in pairs so one watches the feed while you inspect. Make sure to cross-reference. Freezing temps plus EMF 5 or fingerprints are the combinations that let you lock the monster type faster. You finish by confirming 3 clear pieces of evidence and capturing a final photo for the journal to secure the perfect game. Once done, use the crucifix in the room and regroup near safe exits during hunts. Bait the ghost with noise from a teammate if you need it to commit to one room. If evidence conflicts, rescan methodically. Check for smudges, rerun the spirit box in short bursts, and recheck EMF and temperature. This troubleshooting step resolves most ambiguous cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.